Welcome to Monrovia, Liberia. In this documentary, we showcase the United Methodist University. It is ranked as the fourth university in Liberia according to the 2024 Liberia Universities ranking. This video showcases the United Methodist University's library and some of the challenges the university is faced with.
We are here at the United Methodist University, UMU for short, and we have come to look at the library, take a glance, and see how it is and the books that are needed. Apparently, in the future, we are hoping to have a transformed library. We are hoping to have new and modern books because we see here that some of these books 20, 22, and are way over the time. So we hope to have a better and transformed library. But to do that, we are just here to evaluate and check on everything, the staff and the chef, and everything we see here is does not actually represent a library, but we hope to have something better for students because we have a lot of students in the school who are yearning to have opportunity to come here and read, but these books do not quench their thirst. So we hope to have a better, that's why we are here today on this campus to check out things here in this library and to also give our overview about what is actually unfolding at the United Methodist University Library.
We toured the library and found out many challenges. Let's talk to the librarian as she showed us around.
This is circulation for the library. Circulation is where you get information and the users keep their guides. Here is the reserve. Reserve is like one copy of books that can get on the stack, but we keep it at this area where we keep theses and also theses. All these are theses for our graduates. Yeah, so this area is called reserve. The different books we use. All the shares are labeled. As you can see, management, business, accounting. All the shares are all labeled. This is the stack of the library. Here, we place the tables for computers, but right now we don't have until we can get them. So for now, students are just using it to do their research because computer is not here yet. And here is where we keep our newspapers. Newspapers being kept here. So the area, the stack also continue. This is theological area. Although we have the master library, but we have few books here, undergrads for theology also. This is where students sit to do their work. But now you see the whole place upside down because we just from graduation and they are returning their gowns right now. It's a war book era, war book, and how they call it, Britannical era. My name is Rebecca Welle Brooklyn. I'm the director for UMU Libraries. The library started from, let's say, 2003, but active 2004.
What are some of the challenges?
One is we don't have even single one computer in our library, which of course in other libraries they have. If the users can go through the book, they go through the the computer to do their research. We don't have, and it giving us problem from the users, problem from our students, because they are paying library fees and they are not seeing anything done in the library. Number two, the sitting capacity, as you can see, look at the chairs, look at the tables, all worn up. The sitting capacity is not conducive for our users, for our students. Like all the schools having that same problem. The training we need, it is not here. Like for AMEU, they send their people out of the country for library training, or to get some kind of people for library, because yeah, we're doing it at UL, but UL is not doing library science anymore. And even you go to UL, you get AA, and where you will go to get BSc, to get master is out of the country. For that reason, the pay system for librarians is very, very low. And people see it like you just can't read books, and somebody come and can ask you where they book, you give it to them. That's not all. This a large department, and but every school librarian complaining about the payment. The salary they get from their area of assignment is like the whole country. Librarians are complaining about their pay concerning in our area.
What library system is being used at the university?
The system we put in place here is the Congress. We're using library Congress is what we use. Even when we started going for library meeting, all libraries in Liberia using Congress, from UL, from everywhere, AMEU, everybody using Congress. So we are using Congress.
Are there national efforts being exerted to bring changes to library systems in Liberia?
Yeah, we are. We are. What I advise is that, like I told my friends, that we need to organize ourselves in a sense that, even if we have this training, if we have this training from from university to high schools, like our head should be the government, and like from the library, from the government, national library. You understand me? Should be the one to carry our problem to the government, that when we organize ourselves, if the high school need librarian, they will ask the organization to send people in the schools, in the universities, or employee come from the organization to say we need this. Then the organization would ask or search for their people to send them over to the different schools. So we talk on that, but we need our national government to be part of what we are planning, because it will give it weight. We cannot do it without the nation and the government getting to know what we are planning to do, because it will be a great help to the nation also.
So thank you for watching. And this initiative is for the Unity McGill Foundation that is sponsoring students at the United Methodist School. And this foundation is keen about education is keen about giving the people of Liberia a better pathway to the future. So thank you for watching. Your support is needed, and we hope that we all can collectively help the people of Liberia or help the United Methodist School through the Unity Foundation to impart and promote education by donating books. Thank you so much.